My name is Jonah McCrorey. I'm a First Lieutenant, United States Space Force. I work at the 4th Space Control Squadron with the logistics shop over there. Hobbies. I can think of 3, and I like to have crisp lists like this. So I would say right now it's coffee, photography, and video games. Coffee's probably the strange one. Well, shout out to anyone who's working on an ops floor. 12-hour shifts, 8-hour shifts, not easy, need to stay awake. Drinking coffee, better, healthier than energy drinks. I was a regular consumer of Bang energy drinks, right? Not good for you, right? Coffee, way healthier, and a lot more involved too. You can get really deep into this rabbit hole. Different beans, different sources, different brew methods, and all that. My introduction was this really fancy coffee machine we had next to the ops floor at Thule that could do cappuccino, espresso, and all that, and it was all in Danish. So I don't know what I was getting, but hitting buttons, great coffee was coming out, and I decided to explore that. So, and it just goes so much deeper. Espresso machines can get crazy expensive, like any hobby, photography, whatever, video games. You can spend a lot of money, but it's been something kind of unique. I don't find too many people who are kind of crazy about the coffee and really want to make it more complicated than it has to be, which is what I'm doing. So where I'm at now, I'm at the 4th Space Control Squadron, right? We have a worldwide mission set. We are involved under Space Delta III, which is known for space electronic warfare. Being able to touch some amazing equipment, deal with amazing people, and do something worldwide that has, we'll say, a very important impact, a very interesting impact on the state of different operations missions around the world, it makes it worth it. I've always found that, personally, I'm motivated by things that are I'm motivated by the bigger mission, which is kind of cheesy. It's kind of that's red, white, and blue, that, you know, sort of stuff you hear in your basic trainings and your tech schools and things like that. But it is always true. This is something important, and what we do is can't be matched around the world, and it needs to be done. I think the hardest part for the military, for almost everybody, is the separation from family. I started off my career a year long away from my friends and family at Thule. COVID came and impacted that in a major way. For a while, it was looking like no one was going to be able to leave indefinitely, and that's terrifying. Looking at an upcoming deployment too, it puts a strain on things. It is the price we pay, and the thing that makes it worth it, that makes it at least a little bit easier, is knowing that it's for a reason. That we're doing these things for a good reason, the right reasons, and at the end of the day, we do have an impact on people in a good way.